Hi everyone, this is Beryl. Our group will be sharing to you about what are the structures of an academic paper or position paper. On this vlog, you will also learn about the three structures, the introduction, body, and conclusion, and what are the purpose and meaning of it. We will be also setting an example on how to write a position paper.
The purpose of position paper is to clarify position. It helps articulate a clear, concise stance on an issue. It also persuade audience. It aims to convince readers by presenting compelling arguments and evidence. Also promote dialogue, encourages constructive discussion and critical thinking about the topic. It also demonstrates knowledge. It shows the author's depth of understanding and ability to analyze complex issues.
Format of a position paper. A position paper typically follows a standard format to ensure clarity and logical flow. Number 1. Title. A concise and descriptive title that reflects the issue and stance. Example, the case of renewable energy, addressing climate change through sustainable solutions. Number 2. Introduction. Briefly introduce the topic and its relevance. Clearly state your position or thesis statement. Provide context or background information on the issue. Example, with climate change posing a significant threat to global ecosystems, transitioning to renewable energy is imperative. This paper argues that renewable energy policies is essential for mitigating environmental degradation and fostering sustainable economic growth.
Arguments are supporting your position. Present 2 to 3 strong arguments that justify your stance. Back each argument with credible evidence such as data, research studies, or expert opinions. Use logical reasoning to connect evidence with your claims. Counter-arguments and rebuttals. Address potential opposing viewpoints or criticisms. Provide reasonable rebuttals to demonstrate why your position remains valid.
Next is conclusion. Summarize the key points made in the paper. Reinforce the importance of your position and its implications. Include a call to action or suggest further research. For example, embracing renewable energy is not just a necessity, but a responsibility. Governments and organizations must prioritize policies that accelerate these transitions for a sustainable future. And lastly, references. Provide a list of sources cited in your paper to enhance credibility. Follow the required citation style, for example, EPA, MLA, and Chicago.
Example of a position paper. The title is Reducing Plastic Waste, a Call for Global Action. Introduction. Plastic pollution has reached alarming levels, threatening marine ecosystems and public health. With over 8 million tons of plastic entering the ocean annually, immediate action is necessary to address this crisis. This paper argues that implementing strict regulations on plastic production and promoting biodegradable alternatives are essential for mitigating the impacts of plastic waste. Arguments supporting the position. Environmental impact. Plastic waste harms marine life and ecosystems. Studies indicate that over 1 million marine animals die annually due to plastic ingestion or entanglement. Regulating plastic production can reduce this catastrophic impact. Health concerns. Microplastics have been detected in food, water, and air, posing health risks to humans. Policies reducing plastic use will decrease exposure to these harmful particles. Economic benefits of alternatives. Promoting biodegradable materials can stimulate new industries and create green jobs. For example, a study by the Environmental Policy Institute highlights that transitioning to biodegradable packaging could generate over 100,000 jobs globally.
While plastic is inexpensive, its environmental and health costs far outweigh its short-term economic benefits. Investments and research and Subsidies for biodegradable alternatives can address affordability concerns. In conclusion, reducing plastic waste requires a concerted effort from governments, industries, and individuals. By implementing stricter regulations and fostering innovation and sustainable materials, we can protect ecosystems, improve public health, and create sustainable economic opportunities. The time to act is now.